Hello everyone, welcome to the Gbyte channel. Today we'll explain why iPhone text messages might disappear and how to recover them. Yes, it's incredibly frustrating when text messages suddenly disappear, especially if you didn't delete them. And you have absolutely no idea why they vanished from your iPhone. Actually, there are many reasons why iPhone text messages might disappear, including incorrect message history settings, accidental deletion, iCloud sync errors, and some software glitch you might not have noticed. Once you know why your messages disappeared, you can try some methods to fix the problem and recover them when they randomly disappear, are lost, or are misplaced. First, we need to enable iMessage. iPhone text messages might suddenly disappear when Apple servers are down or you're in an area with poor signal. Okay, open Settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap Apps, and then select Messages. Next, turn off iMessage. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then turn iMessage back on to enable it. This can resolve issues with iMessage not working properly and ensure you can receive iMessages and text messages smoothly. Method 2. Check your message history retention settings. This method is very useful if you find that older messages have disappeared, but new messages are still there. In Messages settings, scroll down to the message history section and tap Keep Messages. Now check if you've selected Permanent. If not, this is why some text messages suddenly disappeared. If you set Keep Messages to 30 days or 1 year, your messages may have been automatically deleted. If you don't want your messages to disappear for no reason, simply change it back to Permanent. Method 3. Force restart your iPhone to fix some minor issues. For newer iPhones, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. After your iPhone restarts, it will reconnect to your carrier's network. Go to the Messages app and try force restarting your phone to see if you can recover lost text messages or iMessages. Method 4. Go to the Settings app, tap General, then tap Software Update, and check if your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. This can fix any software glitches causing your iPhone messages to be lost or disappeared. Method 5. If the above simple repair methods are ineffective and the lost text messages still cannot be recovered, please check the recently deleted folder to see if the messages disappeared due to accidental deletion. From iOS 16 to iOS 26, Apple has integrated the recently deleted folder into the Messages app. You can easily recover text messages deleted within the last 40 days. Go to the Messages inbox, tap Filter or Edit in the top left corner, and then select Recently Deleted. All the messages you thought were gone will be displayed here. You can select them to restore to your normal conversation list. Method 6. If the lost text messages still cannot be recovered, then you will need to use Gbyte iPhone data recovery software. We have included the download link in the description below, or you can obtain the tool from g-byte.com. It is easy to use and can deeply and thoroughly scan your iPhone to find deleted or lost messages and other recoverable files. No data cable is required. Simply sign in with your iCloud ID and let the program scan your device. Once ready, open your iPhone data recovery tool and select Recover from iOS device. Select the software data you want to recover, or select All, and tap the Start Scan button to begin a deep scan. Wait for the scan to complete. You can then view the recovered data for free. After completion, tap Messages in the left sidebar to display all recoverable text in the right pane. Tap a message to preview the entire conversation, including text and all attachments. Now, select the message you want to recover, tap the Recover button, and choose your desired location on your computer. Option 7. Recover lost text messages from iCloud by checking for iCloud message sync issues. If you sync all your text messages and iMessages using iCloud messages, occasional sync failures can cause messages to disappear from your iPhone. To resolve this, simply check your network connection and ensure iCloud Messages is enabled in your iCloud settings. Open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, select iCloud, and then tap Messages. If the Use on this iPhone switches on, turn it off. When prompted, select Disable and Download Messages. Now, wait 15 minutes, then re-enable Use on this iPhone and tap Sync Now to force iCloud to download the messages to your iPhone. Now return to the Messages app and see if any previously missing messages have appeared in your inbox. That's the effective way to fix this issue. Remember to like and follow for more iPhone tips and tricks in the future.